Hey guys, welcome to Phone Brother. And today I will show you the latest X Fold from Vivo. It's the first foldable smartphone from Vivo, and also it's the newest foldable device in the market right now. And so this time we get the blue edition, and it's the 12 plus 512 RAM and ROM. Specification one is the highest specification one in the market, and also we have the blue. Personally, I really like this color, and it's very unique in the market, and also not too dark and not white, not too dark. So I like it. And the first time I got this watch, I will say it's very similar. If I don't open it, just very similar to the X Note big screen smartphone, because here they use the same camera design, or the material and the logo almost same. But just after I open it, I would say it's really amazing. It's this 8-inch screen is the performance is pretty good, and also here the outside screen is also awesome. It's also one of the best foldable outside screen in the market. Also the hinge works very smoothly, and you can stay in any place you want, and will not go back and not give you uncomfortable experience. Also the hinge design is very high quality, and also it's similar to the Huawei X Fold XS design. Okay, so this is about the appearance, and also about appearance I will say the size. The size is not like Note and the Oppo is much more slim, and the weight is also a bit heavy than the X Note. This time the weight is 310 grams. Also for size one, the length is 162, and the width is 74, and the height is 14 to 15. It's very it's a bit heavier than the of M, but the size is also okay. You can see when I turn on it, I can control it with my hand easily, not so uncomfortable. Yes. So this is about the appearance, and also the processor is the Snapdragon ST1 generation, PDAF plus UFS 3.1. Also high spec flagship specification on this one. And also the camera the camera is same design to X Note, and also the real quad camera system, the front camera system. The main one is 50 megapixel. Also Samsung Gen5 long wide angle 48 megapixel, and 12 megapixel for the portrait, and telephone 8 megapixel for the long lens. Also it's totally have a mixed 16 times zoom. I can show you here. Yes, here 6 times. Yes, so also for the front one is 16 megapixel. The camera you can take very high quality selfie pictures as well. Also the other part is about the battery. It's such a big screen smartphone. They use the 4600 big battery. Also it have 80 watts fast charging, capable fast charging, and also 50 watts wireless charging. And also you can use this one to charge your earphone, because it also have a 10-watt reverse wireless charging. Normally 40 minutes it can charge it. You can charge it 40 minutes. You can charge it from 0 to 100%. Is fast. Yes. So this is about the camera, and also the screen. The screen is the thing I think I have to mention. Yes, no matter the outside one, the inside screen is support Samsung E5, and it support 120 Hz refresh rate, and it also both of them have a very big zoom, for you to unlock the screen, use your fingerprint, because it's this here, the outside one and the inside screens both support on the screen fingerprint. The difference comes from the size, in 8-inch and outside one 6.5-inch, and also for the resolution, the inside is 2160 and 1960, and the outside one is 2520 and a 1080. Also for the brightness, the inside one is higher, the 1300 nit, and the outside is 12,000 nit. So this is the very minor, small difference on these two screens. I would say both of the screen performance very good, and the first time I got it is just amazing, and you can see it very speedily. Gives you very good, very good sense of high quality and high end. Yes, so this is very quick and just a very simple hand video of the X Note, and I hope you like it. I hope you, yes, if you hope you also like this watch. If you want to experience more features here, maybe you can check it, and you can go one. It's really decent device, and it's really, I hope it will be, I think it will be one of the best foldable smartphone in 2022. Okay, thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned and waiting for more cookies from here. Thanks. Bye.